faggots. I'm gonna record this shit from in here, which is on the other side of the house. And we'll see what the sound is like. And you can stare at Santa Claus and listen to my dog whine like a little bitch. Shut up, dog. We'll go outside in a minute after I'm done shooting firearms in the house. We poop and pee in here and take baths, which is gay because baths are for fucking faggot. Everybody knows about my musk. That's loud as hell. Ow! And here's the safe room. Hello, no safe words in the safe room. Get it? Now it's much quieter in here because there's carpet all over the place. The living room where no living occurs. Oops. That rings shit pretty good. And now it's the biggest clusterfuck of a kitchen you ever did see. We're in the kitchen! What the hell? Boy, I'm hearing shit. Whee. So it's kind of loud. Well, maybe that didn't even get in frame. Here we go. Whee. Oh. It's been a long day on the road, fellas. Sometimes they get those fast food orders wrong. Sometimes that was fucking stupid quiet. What the fuck? I thought it'd be loud as shit in here. That's literally like, damn. That's hell yeah. Time to see how loud this is. A few feet away. And you don't get to look.